Hi everyone! Today I would like to share how I made this Infinity Charm Bracelet. First, fold the two yellow strings into half and set the strings as shown. Push up the two yellow strings towards the other two strings and attach the left half firmly onto the working surface. Use the color 2 string, which is green here, and make 7 backward 4 knots onto 3 other strings. On the left side, use the color 1 string, which is pink here, and make 7 forward backward knots onto 3 other strings. Form a loop and attach it firmly onto the working surface. Use the pink and green string and make 5 square knots onto all the strings. By making the triangle with the pink, the inside color of the bracelet part will be pink and the rim color will be green. Now lift the center strings, remove the 2 short strings from the back and attach them together with the loop onto the working surface. Continue making the square knots onto the 4 strings in the center until the total length, including the loop, reaches about 6 centimeters or 2.4 inches. Here, I just finished making the first half of the bracelet part. Now, we make the infinity charm. Take the green string, pass it under the 4 yellow strings in the center, and make 1 half hitch knot onto the yellow strings. Now, divide the 4 yellow strings into half and place 2 yellow strings on the right side and 2 yellow strings in the center. Make a triangle using pink and green string on the left and 2 yellow strings on the right and place them on the 2 yellow strings in the center. Now hold the end of the center right yellow string and pass it through the right triangle. Now pick up the end of the center left yellow string and pass it through the left triangle. Now pull the 2 center yellow strings downwards while pulling the other strings on each direction. We work on the right side first. Take the yellow string, pass it under the pink and green strings, and make 5 backward-forward knots. On the left side, pass the center yellow string under the 2 other yellow strings and make 5 forward-backward knots. Now we use the 4 strings in the center to connect both sides. Place 1 yellow string in the center, place the pink and green string on top of that yellow string, and make 1 double half hitch knot. Now place the pink and green string on top of the other yellow string and make 1 double half hitch knot using the yellow string. We just finished connecting both sides. Now we work on the right side again. Use the same yellow string that you used to make the chain and make 5 backward-forward knots. We use the yellow string on the left and make 5 forward-backward knots. Now pass the 2 chain strings under the other strings to place them again in the center. We make the same knot as the first one to finish the infinity charm. Now pick the green string, which should be on the right side, pass it under the 5 other strings, and make 1/2 hitch knot. Now we make the other half of the bracelet using square knots again. Pick the pink string, make the triangle, and make square knots. Continue making the square knots until it reaches the desired length. In order to finish the bracelet, divide the 6 strings into half and make 2 of 3-strand braids. Finish both of the strands with overhand knots. Cut the excessive strings of the tails and the short strings coming out from the first part of the bracelet, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.